as observed from the top of a 75-meter long lighthouse. So what you are given, that a lighthouse is there which is 75-meter long. When seen from the top of this tower, from the sea level, its height is from the sea level, the angles of depression are formed because you are looking from here now. Okay, so angles of depression are formed. Two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Two ships are there which are making two angles, 45 degree and 30 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other ship, one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse. If lighthouse is here, then both the ships on the same side. That means one ship is here and other cannot be on the other side. Both ships have to be on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between the two ships, and you need to know what is the distance between these two ships. I have drawn two ships here, ship A and ship B, and this vertical CD represents lighthouse. When you are looking from this point on the first ship and second ship, two angles are formed. Those are angles of depression. Okay, one is 30 and other is 45. One more thing you need to know now here. When I am drawing two angles from there, what is happening? Where I will take 30, you can see here that this is less angle and this is the bigger angle. So I will write 30 here and 45 on the outside. That means this inner angle is 30 degree because it is small, and the other angle is big, that is why it is 45 degree. One more thing, as angles are here, I have to take these angles on the baseline. So what I will be doing, as I can see that this line, this vertical line which is the horizontal line, is parallel to the baseline, and this line acts as CA acts as a transversal here. If this is a transversal, so alternate interior angles will be formed. Here is a 45 angle up to this line. If I name it OCA, this angle OCA, this is 45, and on the other side of this transversal, that means on this side, 45 angle will be formed. Same way as OCB, see here OCB, this small angle is 30, and to the opposite of this, as Z is formed, so this angle is alternate interior angle for CBA. So this angle will also be 30 degree. Moreover, you can check it here also, that whether you have written both the angles correctly or not. You can see that when the angle is, when the person will move forward to the lighthouse, the angle will increase. Whenever vertical line is there and you move toward that line, if here angle is 60 and you will keep on moving 70, 80, and when you will reach here, it will be 90. So if you move farther, then angles will be of less admire, and when you will move towards the vertical height, then angles will increase. So you can check here that my outer angle is 30, and when I am moving towards the lighthouse, this angle has increased. That means you have written here correct angles. Okay, one way was this, that is to take it here from the upper angle, you are taking it down by using alternate interior angles, and when you have taken it down, you can check whether you have written both the angles correctly or not. You can see that whether the inner angle is bigger than outer or not. It should be bigger, because when we are moving towards some vertical distance, our angles increase, and when we move farther from the vertical distance, then angles decrease. So two right angles are formed here. One is CAD and other is CBD. In triangle CAD, tan of theta, perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular here? You are given that lighthouse is 75 meter high, so you can write 75 here. What is base? base is AD. Let us name this distance AD as y. So I will write base as y. Tan of theta. Theta for this triangle is 45. And value of tan 45 is 1. 75 by y. Let us cross multiply. Value of y is 75. Let us take another triangle. In triangle, bigger triangle, CBD. Tan of theta perpendicular by base. What is the angle for bigger triangle? It is 30 degrees. Perpendicular here is same, 75. But what about base? Now base is from B to D. You have taken this gap as y. What about this gap? Let us take this gap as x. BA gap is x. Earlier you had taken AD as y. So what is the full gap now? From B to D, you have to take full base. So full base will be x plus y. Value of tan 30. 1 by root 3. 75 x plus y. From first part I have calculated that y is 75. Let us replace 75 here. X plus 75. Now it is turn to cross multiply. 1 by root 3. 75 x plus 75. Let us cross multiply. X plus 75. 75 root 3. We need the value of x, so I will take the 75 on the other side. Let us take 75 common and you are left with root 3 minus 1 in meters. Okay, so you have got the value of x, and what you were asked, what was the distance between the two ships? And if you see here, my ship A is here and B ship is here. So x represents the distance between two ships. So I can write distance between two ships is x. X is representing the distance. So I can write this value of x here as my answer, 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. So I have taken two triangles and solved. And what was the main important thing that you have learned here? That when angle of depressions are formed, you have to take both the angles here on the baseline. Okay. And when you are using alternate interior angles, after using here alternate interior angles, you will check that inner angle should be bigger than the outer angle. Thank you.